Did you know that many foods we eat every day, we are actually eating them the wrong way? Yes, some simple mistakes can reduce nutrition, waste food, and even make eating more difficult. Today in this video, I will show you 10 foods you are probably eating wrong and the correct way to eat them. Number 7 is especially surprising, so watch till the end. Point 1. Banana. Most people open bananas from the stem, but this is actually the hard way. Monkeys open bananas from the bottom because it is softer and easier to peel. When you open from the bottom, the banana does not get crushed and you also avoid the stringy fibers. Next time try this method and you will see how easy it is. Point 2. Kiwi. Many people peel kiwi before eating, but the skin is actually edible and full of fiber and vitamins. If you wash it properly, you can eat it like an apple. The skin contains more nutrients than the inside flesh. Eating kiwi with skin can improve digestion and boost immunity. Point 3. Mango. Instead of cutting mango randomly, you can use the glass method. Cut the sides of the mango and push the flesh through the rim of a glass. The skin will stay outside and the pulp will come out clean. This method avoids wastage and gives you perfect mango pieces quickly. Point 4. Bread. Have you noticed the colored twist ties on bread packets? Each color shows the day it was packed in some countries. For example, blue means Monday and green means Tuesday. This helps shopkeepers manage freshness. Many people do not know this small but interesting fact about bread packaging. Point 5. Apple. Most people eat apples from the side, but some say eating from the top to bottom reduces waste because the core is also edible except the seeds. Apples are full of fiber and vitamin C. Eating the whole fruit properly gives maximum nutrition and reduces food waste. Point 6. Oreo. Many people twist Oreo biscuits to separate the cream, but studies and experiments show that most of the cream stays on one side. This happens because of the manufacturing process. Oreo is also one of the most sold biscuits in the world and has many unique flavors. Point 7. Pineapple. Cutting pineapple can be difficult, but there is a simple spiral method. After removing the top and bottom, you can cut the sides and then remove the eyes diagonally in a spiral pattern. This is the professional way chefs cut pineapple and it reduces waste while making it look attractive. Point 8. Pomegranate. Removing pomegranate seeds can be messy. A simple trick is to cut it into halves and put it in a bowl of water. Then gently remove the seeds. The seeds will sink and the white part will float. This keeps your kitchen clean and makes the process faster. Point 9. Egg. To check if an egg is fresh, put it in a bowl of water. If it sinks, it is fresh. If it stands upright, it is older but still usable. If it floats, it is spoiled. This simple kitchen test can help you avoid eating bad eggs and prevent food poisoning. Point 10. Chocolate. Sometimes chocolate turns white on the surface. This is called chocolate bloom. It happens when fat or sugar crystals come to the surface due to temperature changes. It does not mean the chocolate is spoiled. It is still safe to eat, but the texture may change slightly. So these were 10 foods you might be eating the wrong way. Small changes in habits can save food, improve nutrition, and make you smarter in the kitchen. Which fact surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments. If you like this type of interesting food facts and quizzes, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing food knowledge. See you in the next video.